Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is June 5th, 2024, and we have a lot to cover. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Elon Musk has reportedly diverted thousands of Nvidia-made AI chips from Tesla to his social media company X. Originally, Tesla was set to acquire $500 million worth of Nvidia's H100 AI chips to boost its AI and robotics capabilities. However, emails from Nvidia employees suggest that many of these chips are now being redirected to X, specifically its AI subsidiary xAI. This move could potentially upset Tesla investors who are counting on Musk to deliver fully autonomous vehicles, especially as Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving features have faced scrutiny due to crashes. Musk's AI startup, xAI, is in fierce competition with other tech giants like OpenAI and Google to develop cutting-edge applications for generative AI and large language models. Recently, xAI announced a $6 billion funding round to support its advanced products. Meanwhile, Nvidia has seen a significant surge in revenue, becoming the third most valuable company globally due to the high demand for its GPUs that power AI initiatives. The company reported a staggering 200% revenue growth in the last quarter. This situation raises questions about Musk's priorities and the impact on Tesla's AI development and autonomous vehicle goals. In another twist, Elon Musk reportedly asked Nvidia to prioritize GPU shipments to his other company X over Tesla. According to emails circulating at Nvidia, Musk directed a shipment of GPUs meant for Tesla to X, in exchange for future shipments to Tesla. This decision was made as Tesla planned to spend $10 billion on computing power for AI training. Nvidia emails also mentioned Musk's efforts to secure GPUs for a project to build the world's largest cluster. Musk later clarified that Tesla was not ready to receive the Nvidia chips due to construction delays at Gigafactory Texas. This situation highlights potential conflicts of interest and the need for proper governance and oversight at Tesla. Musk's actions have raised questions about breach of fiduciary duty, failure to disclose, and possible market manipulation. Tesla's project to build a large cluster for FSD training has faced delays, pushing the completion date to August. Elon Musk is facing accusations of diverting resources from Tesla to his other companies, specifically high-end H100 GPU clusters from Nvidia. Despite Tesla's order for these computers, emails from Nvidia staff reveal that Musk redirected 12,000 GPUs to his social media company X. Musk has been vocal about Tesla's shift towards becoming an AI and robotics firm rather than just a car manufacturer, which explains the significant investment in GPUs. Tesla is working on perfecting its full self-driving feature, which could be more profitable through a subscription service compared to selling physical cars. Musk's decision to divert resources to his other companies, like X and xAI, is not the first time he has been accused of prioritizing his private ventures over Tesla. These latest accusations add to previous concerns about Musk's use of Tesla resources, including investigations by the US Department of Justice. The situation comes as Musk is seeking shareholder approval for a $46 billion stock compensation plan. In other news, Texas is set to establish its own stock exchange to compete with the NYSE and Nasdaq, as reported by the Wall Street Journal. The TXSE Group, backed by BlackRock and Citadel, has raised $120 million and plans to have fewer rules and regulations compared to its New York counterparts. The exchange is expected to be based in downtown Dallas and commence trading in 2025. The founders aim to attract large-cap companies looking for a state with fewer regulations and favorable tax policies, leveraging Texas's status as home to numerous Fortune 500 companies like ExxonMobil, AT&T, and Phillips 66. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has expressed interest in moving the electric car maker's state of incorporation to Texas. The TXSE insists it will be apolitical, but its launch coincides with a time when some right-wing figures are critical of mainstream financial markets. For instance, Republican presidential candidate Vivek Ramaswamy established an anti-woke investing firm, and some GOP members have called for divestment from BlackRock due to its pro-ESG policies. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on Tesla, and the world of technology. Have a great day.